Meet Junsun, your drive's future.
Just look at this enormous and crystal clear screen. It's like having a mini theater right in your car. Plug and play with CarPlay or Android Auto. Take your smartphone experience on the road. And hey, no cords needed with Junsun's wireless Bluetooth connectivity. Your favorite tracks are just a tap away. With accurate GPS navigation, say goodbye to getting lost. Junsun will always lead you home. Experience enhanced audio with DSP function. Who said you can't have a concert in your car? Keep your hands on the wheel with the steering wheel control feature. Safety meets convenience. And check this out, the colorful light function, bringing the disco straight to your vehicle. For those classic radio listeners, don't worry. Junsun's got you covered with a built-in car radio. Junsun even helps you park with a reverse viewing function. And to capture those road memories, there's an optional dash cam feature. That's the Junsun car control display, folks. Upgrade your driving experience now.